To find a specific invoice or deduction in Shoperations, leverage the filter or search functions on the Invoices page. To use filters to search, click the Filters button at the top of the page. You can filter by type, vendor, status, event name, tactic, and more. You can select multiple options to narrow your search as much as you like. Click Apply once you are done. You can also find an invoice or deduction by typing in a full or partial invoice number in the search bar at the top of the page. The results of your search will populate as you type. Sorting is another way to find an invoice. Most invoice fields are sortable. Just click on the column header to put invoices and deductions in ascending or descending order.